Morning! Join me on a training ride today.
Okay, I'm off to MOA. Dun yung endurance ride namin. And I'm on my way to the meet-up point ni Clyde. Umaga-umaga, stress ka na naman.
Wala akong salamin, oh.
Ala, shucks! Yuck! Bathroom break. Medyo lumiliwanag na. Pero usually, pag pumupunta kami ng MOA, madilim talaga.
Liwanag. Nakapunta tayong liwanag, pero ano na.
So may Guadalupe. Yeah.
Pag ganito, paliwanag na dyan eh. Pag umahon na magaling.
Dito? No, wala. Not today. Go, push mo yan, girl. Ayaw paawat. Yung isa naming tropa, si JV, on the way na rin siya going here sa MOA. Galing pa siyang Caloocan. So, habang nag-aantay, mag-i-easy ano muna kami, easy riding before joining the peloton. Pero zone 2 endurance lang naman din yung gagawin dito sa MOA. Ewan ko, feel ko mag-uupak tong isa eh. Bahala siya sa buhay niya. Ingat ah. Alright, JV Villar in the house. Finally. Lord, ang tagal mo.
Oras naman. Wala slide.
Ewan ko kung nasan yun. Sabi ko na mag-uupak yun eh. Ano po? Ah, shit. Wow! Thank you! Kita nyo yan? Ah, charap to! Thank you so much! Shout out po kayo. Thank you! Thank you so much! Thank you so much! Kakakilig naman. Wala ka na bang lakas kay Edwin Carges?
Tanga ako, igawin ako. Huli ka mo! Marami akong lakas, pre!
Yan!
Kumabis lang kayo.
Ano yan? Mapapel yan. Siyempre, in front of the camera, kailangan mo maging ano, di ba? Wholesome.
Pero kanina, grabe, ina-attitude na kami.
May violent reaction, no?
Tinan nyo! Ay, gago ka! Buiset!
Violent reaction.
Ang sama! Kahit encargues nyo, salbahe. Very demure.
I don't listen and I don't
judge.
I don't
Listen and I judge.
Hirit ang ulo.
Ano ang ginawa ko? Wala akong ginagawa.
Ayun nga, wala akong ginagawa.
Gordo ako hot choco, tsaka bambich.
Gano'n pa laki yung live? Ay, hot. Uy, baka di ako makikita. Ayun, sige. Mas ma-dami ba? Or... sige.
Oh my God! Hey, bossing! Grabe naman magchismisan tong tatlo.
Touchdown, condo. This is actually a special vlog kasi after ng ride ko today, we are going to Batangas. And I had an early morning training bago kami pumunta ng Batangas for the Batangas Loop. And it's actually my first big bike loop and also my first moto vlog ko, no? And I'm really excited kasi although I've been to Batangas a couple of times, I haven't seen it all and I haven't really enjoyed looking at all the sceneries and exploring what Batangas has to offer. Kaya I really look forward to the Batangas Loop tomorrow. Saturday, Sunday siya. So Friday, we're gonna head there na kasi yung briefing, registration, and all that will happen this Friday. So, outfit change na muna tayo. Boosh. Riding pants, riding shoes, leg bag. Pakita natin yung setup ng motor.
Hello, good sir. Nice bike. So, lahat ng gamit namin nandito sa Kriega. This is a 30L. US 30. 30L. Pero yun naman meaning nun, di ba? 30 liters, yeah. This is my bike. It's baby Moo Moo.
Shout out to Uncle Ken.
Uncle Ken.
Thanks for letting me bike.
Yes. Ducati Multistrada V4S. And my baby Moo Moo, which is a Ducati Monster. So, Moo. Mine is a US 10. Galing, no? Parang peke yung pagka-packlight ko. Joke lang. Yung ibang gamit nandito naman. So...
Tapos yung top box, walang laman. Kasi kailangan daw ng space pang pasalubong. Etc.
And then, of course, our camera is here. I also have one on my chest. Pag kailangan lang.
Wala na siyang space pa.
Let's go! Gas brake! Touchdown! Already checked in. Our bikes are parked here. Sarap. Then we're off to the event area, which is like a walking distance lang from the hotel. So when we go out, left, it's already there. Hindi na pala kailangan mag-register. Mayabang kami.
Mayabang kasi si JC.
Back at the hotel. So, nakuha na namin yung mga stuff for...
skip the joke.
for the Batangas trip. Ang ganda ng jersey! Let's go! And then, may kasama siyang vest. Wait lang, sorry. Pack. And then, merong map. Stickers. And a bandana. Cool stuff. Pagod na ang lola mo. So we're just gonna have dinner, prep our stuff because we have an early ride out tomorrow. So see you sa day 1 ng Batangas trip.